This app is called the Spiritron. Just doing a small little test in a real life cemetery to see if it works. You can get this app at the Google Play Store. I've turned on the airplane mode, and so that's broadband, Bluetooth, and location on the cell phone to help the spirits communicate a little bit better, to use the voice bank a bit better. But let's see if anything comes through. I'm not doing any justice to this app because I don't know if I've tested it out before. It doesn't really work. I've never gotten any real replies from these little noises. But spirits can do a lot of things. It's possible. Or ghosts, maybe. I just heard a car's horn. But there's traffic out there. But coming through here. That's messed up. Hello? Oh shit. How you doing? Spiritron? I'd say it works. Did you hear that? How you doing? Now if you attach this app to a Stephen Huff portal, you'd have better luck. Because that's what the Stephen Huff portal is designed for. Clearing up these little noises so that the spirits can speak through. It is possible. Don't ever knock it down. It might be possible. First try it. Then say yes or no. But right now we're just doing the app by itself. Hello? Shit, every time I say hello it responds. I thought this was a shitty app, but it seems to be working. It's pretty good, eh? Spiritron. Hello. It only gives me a few words, like barely a word. Something's trying to come through. This app, I would say highly experimental. Attach it to like EVP recorders, Stephen Huff portal, things of that nature. Or a portable speaker. Hello, how are you? Can you see anything through this phone? I'm getting pareidolia. I heard yes I did. Did you guys hear anything? Oh. Or does it do that every once in a while? I don't know. Look for the glare if any entities show up. It is a cemetery. Spiritron. What? Did you say? Life? Dead? Dead. Did you hear that? It said, can you help me? Always with the can you help me stuff. How do you help ghosts? Go watch my other videos. I'll explain it to you. It's very sad when people hear ghosts asking for help and they don't try to help. At least I'm putting his voice out there in the world. It can be heard. That's the beginning. What'd you say? What? Who are you? Are you a ghost? Oh, there we go. This app would be good for the Stephen Huff portal to clear up the speech. Magnetic? I heard magnetic. This app just makes random noises, and either your mind makes stuff up or real voices are being heard. Hello? It just stopped? What in the hell? So it ran its process. It's kind of like the PSP7 Spirit Box, but an app, a poorer version of it. Let's try it again. It's called the Spiritron. Scanning at 250 ms. Hello? That's weird. Turned it on, it doesn't want to scan. Hello? When apps crash on you like this, just shut it off. Use it the next day. They literally will not work again. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's how they're designed, or the entity crashed it. You know, entities can make these things crash. So can cell phone signals. Hello? Can you talk through this thing? Maybe the entity went away. Is no longer talking. Is it on? End application. Try it again. There we go. You turn it on and off, you're honing in on their frequency. Look at that. Someone's definitely trying to talk through her. 543. It's giving out numbers. Can you guys make out what he's saying? Listen. PM. Yo, this thing works, the Spiritron. But you gotta turn it off, on and off, so it can hone in on the entity's frequency. It's giving out a message. Listen to this. Continuous message. The world. Yo, can you stop talking? Stop talking. Do not smoke. Look at that. It just said do not smoke and I'm smoking. Or at least that's what I heard. Kirby just Paranormal. Could be just the app. I've never heard it do that before. Anyway, get this app. Never knock down cheesy apps. Sometimes they have really good results, like this one. This one just surprised me. Spiritron works on its own as well. I can only imagine what it could do with a Stephen Huff portal. Someone should try that out. Hint, hint. If you have a portal. This is basically like the Spiricom, giving you frequencies. What? It's not what? Won't kill him. What the hell? What is running here? Paranormal Shadow Investigations. Well, I guess they make cheesy apps that actually work. Yo, this thing is giving out a continuous message. Hey, can you stop talking for a sec? I guess it doesn't want to stop talking. It knows I'm gonna shut it off. Or it's just the app just repeating. Only the creators of this app would know what's going on right now. Hello? I don't know. You be the judge. Is this pareidolia? Just a voice bank? Because I wasn't doing that before. Usually it just... I am at the cemetery. My name is Yolan. Holy shit, this guy's giving out his address and everything, it sounds like. I'm just gonna let him talk. If it is an entity. Pretty interesting. Are you done talking? I don't think this entity is a ghost. Shut my heart? Holy shit. It's counting down again. This could be the voice bank. A distorted voice bank, maybe? My Android phone. This might be a voice bank after all. I could be wrong. Demon must come. Are you a demon? Okay, I'm gonna shut it up. Maybe it was a mistake. Let's see. Was it just a voice bank? Let's turn it on again. Nope. It's doing the same thing. Shut it off. Clear it. Let's open it up again. Let's reload it. So maybe that was a mistake. Maybe that was an entity. Let's see. That's how it's supposed to sound like. I don't know what that was about. Anyway, get this app on the Google Play Store. It's called Spiritron. That's what it's supposed to be doing. Not what we heard before. Could have been an entity. Now it just completely stopped. I don't know. I'll just say it works. You know, keep the kids happy. Spiritron. Get it on the Google Play Store. Interesting little app.